Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to share YouTube videos on social media. Why would you want to know how to share YouTube videos on social media? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to share YouTube videos on social media. So today I am going to show you how to share YouTube videos on social media. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sharing YouTube videos on social media is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open a browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Here you are seeing different videos. Below the video, in front of title, you are seeing three dots. Click on it. Now click on share. Here you are seeing different social media apps. You can directly share by clicking on them or simply copy the link and paste it in your social media posts or share with your friends in a chat. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share YouTube videos on social media, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.